Well, we have another caller from another educational institution, Delhi World School. Mrs. Sujata, who is the principal of school, is here to speak to us regarding the situation right now, what we're discussing. Mrs. Sujata, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Your voice is little low. Can you, otherwise I'm able to hear you.
Yes. Ma'am, my first question to you is, how
Yeah.
are the educational systems dealing post-lockdown?
Ma'am, actually we are facing a lot of problem because this sudden shift to online learning, without any planning, especially in countries like India,
Yeah.
where the backbone for online learning was not ready and the curriculum was definitely not designed for such a kind of digital format, and which has created the risk of most of our students becoming the passive learners, what I feel, and they seem to be losing interest due to low levels of attention span, because these are all the digital online classes. That is the problem we are facing, ma'am, absolutely. And so then there is no proper, that closed room learning. We are missing the holistic approach, what we are planned, generally the CBSE schools, that definitely we are missing. And yes, of course, we are trying our level best, to give the content to the students. So that is what we are trying to do, ma'am.
Uh, as you've said, you've been facing very hard challenges in this transmission to online training.
Yes,
So,
ma'am, of course.
my question here is, how
Yeah.
has the how has teachers enhanced it? What are the steps that can be taken to enhance? As you said, the curriculum is not in a pattern where they can take an online training. It's going to
Yes,
be very
yes.
hard because schools and colleges, universities, they have projects, they have labs, they have everything. How are they
Yes.
dealing with such situations? Are there going to be any change in the academic calendar coming forth?
Yes, ma'am, definitely. See, as you said, with respect to the laboratories usage and all,
Yeah.
so that is basically kind of group activities. As you know, that it is a holistic development, kind of approaches we use during our sessions. And those group activities, such kind of activities we have to cancel, and we need to replace with a kind of, a practical approach, kind of links where the teacher will reshoot a video and then she is presenting in that way. So there definitely we are facing challenges, because where the students have to sit together and work in group, helping each other, that peer helping, all those factors are missing for the students, and that's the reason I strongly feel that the students are becoming the passive learners actually.
Also, ma'am, I would like to ask you, how long is this going to work long term? How is it going to work long term? What if in July, as they said, they would
Yeah.
consult educational institutions and then decide whether to reopen or no? What if they
Yeah.
decide not to reopen and just conduct exams for 10th and 12th? How are educational institutions prepared for it?
Actually, Delhi World School has trained our teachers, for the online digital classes, completely live classes, as per the shifts class-wise, and then we will be doing formal assessments also through a few softwares, apps, and then also giving the homeworks. Also, we have planned everything, and the teachers have been vigorously trained since a couple of months. That is from April and May. And that is what we have been trying our best effort to keep our students engaged, so that they don't miss their education. But as you asked the question, on a long term, definitely it is going to show a lot of impact on the student, because the little children are not allowed to go outside the house. They're not playing. Their physical, the development and the mindset, so that is going to be little bit passive, and definitely impact will be there, where they'll be missing their friends and their teachers, and that together working, that kind of factor is definitely being missed out, ma'am. But we are trying our level best from our institution to keep our students engaged through some YouTube videos, and then giving the co-curricular activities also, like physical education, and teaching them dance classes, art classes, irrespective of our curricular subjects. That is how we have planned, and we have trained our teachers from month of April. That is the plan, ma'am, actually.
So, as you spoke about the kindergarten and primary school children, my last question
Yeah.
to you here is, How
Yeah.
is the school management prepared to tackle with kindergarten or primary children? Because their minds are like plastic, they mold accordingly how we mold it. So
Yes.
how are the educational systems taking care of that part? How are they going to maintain sanitization or social distancing or the crowd control when it comes to kindergarten or primary school kids?
Yes, ma'am. So here, that was a very nice question. So here we are completely, so taking support from the parents, wherein we have parents are stakeholders who are really supportive in helping us out, and parents are attending along with the students for the session, especially from nursery to grade 2, especially. And parents have been supporting. They're not interfering in the classes, but they're giving that good support towards the children to attend the classes. And in these classes, we are motivating the children, we are guiding the children how to take care of themselves, how they have to maintain the social distancing, and how they have to take the personal cleanliness, not only for the pre-primary level, even for the higher classes as well. Been interacting with the parents also, ma'am. With all these guidelines, we have been interacting with the parents, regularly.
Okay, Ms. Sujata, thank you so much for your information.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Today,
Yeah, thank you.
yeah.
The challenge today is to reduce as much as possible the negative impact in this pandemic will have on learning and schooling, and building on this experience to get back on path on a faster improvement in learning. Well, that was our today's school scan. Tomorrow we'll be back with another new chapter. Till then, keep watching CVR English. Have a great day.